So as y'all can see, rocking the Under Armour today. Some riding jeans. It is so fucking hot, it's insane. Yeah, foregoed with the, or foregoed with the leather jacket. And take it easy today. Yeah, it's been hot as fucking balls here. And normally this season is our, I mean, we're not per se directly in summer just yet, but normally this is when we'd be getting all our rain, and it hasn't happened yet, so everything is super hot, super dry. I need to get my hands on like a summer jacket or something. I just don't like the fact that the jackets don't come with some form of chest protector. Because I mean, at least the way I see it, if I'm getting in an accident, for the most part, you know, the front of my body is going to be taking all of the damage. And I understand it's a little difficult in a zip-up jacket to have some form of chest protector, but yeah, not a big fan of the lack thereof on the jacket, so I normally wear this thing. It's mainly for off-road, but the chest and the back are it's got like soft padding on the inside, and then it's got like this hard EVS plastic on the outside as well, so at least in my mind a little bit of protection is better than no protection. What the fuck is that? Where's your indicator? Fuck you, man. Jesus. How do they expect people to know what the hell your intentions are? Bloody hell. You just hate these fucking moral steves and these people that think that they need to fucking preach to you on YouTube. Jesus Christ, that pisses me off. Oh, take it to the track, you're gonna kill yourself, your family's gonna miss you. Fuck you, man. Who the fuck are you? I don't come to your life and say stop fucking drinking, stop smoking, stop doing drugs, stop fucking walking across the road without fucking looking left and right. Fuck you, man. You stupid prick. I hate fucking people like that. If you don't like it, shut the fuck up and delete the bloody video or remove yourself or something. Can't fucking stand it, man. Look how pretty these jacarandas are now. Purple leaves, man, it's insane. Hey, fuck you, man. Fuck you, puss. Look at this guy. Fucking hells. Not a fucking care in the world, man. Now watch these retards here, wanting to turn right. Okay, how many are going to jump through now? But I'm the idiot. One, two, three, four, five. Fuck you, man. Stupid fucking bitch. Jesus Christ. Completely runs a red robot and she looks like, what the fuck have I done wrong? Every time though. Every fucking time. The indicator's on. What's up, dude? I'm gonna go say hello to that friend. Ha! That was a cop. What's up? You going right or straight? Going there or there? Day 1 of stalking a Suzuki GSX-R 600. He seems to be a little uncomfortable with my presence here. But nonetheless, I shall endeavour and hopefully not see him splatter into this bucky. What's up, dude? Hey, man. Do you stay in the area? Do you stay in the area? Oh, you don't. You're just passing through. Ah, fuck. What is this, the 600 or 1000? Oh, 1000. Okay. Alright. Shepherd. He doesn't seem particularly interested. But there's another that we shall find over here. With the coppers watching us right there. We shall sneak up on this guy. Hello. How are you? Good, and you? Good, good. Very nice, man. Oh, man. Yeah, but very nice. It's a 1000. Yeah. Very, very cool. Very cool. Oh, man. Okay. I'm burning. This old gentleman seems a lot more willing to be friends. But only ever so slightly. What are you doing? Hey! Concentrate! Should we go through the whole rigmarole again? Yeah, let's do it. Oh god, I've got to go through this again. These fucking wankers there. You know what I call that corner? That corner's called a fuck you corner. Because people just don't give a fuck. Like, fuck you. I'll go through and do what I feel. Just like this guy. It's a fuck you attitude as well. That guy on the Jigsaw 1000, he seemed genuinely concerned. It's like, fuck. Did I hit this guy's mirror off at some points and I didn't realize he's a biker too? Did not seem happy with me behind him. Just trying to make some riding friends, man. That's all. Fuck that guy, yeah. They just don't give a fuck. Don't let him in. Straight through. Yeah, no care in the world. Absolutely nothing. Woo! Sorry. You're gonna get a lovely little mirror tap. Boop. I Didn't break it, I just tapped it. I hope it's not a cop.